Hey HIST 101 students, Professor Benelo here with a little short video to let you know what will be going on in Unit 4. Hard to believe we're already in Unit 4. Okay, first of all, Monday, January 25th, I will be holding my office hour from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. It's a great time to either message me through the C2 app or email me to ask me absolutely any questions that you have with this class. Okay, then Tuesday, which will be January 26th, is going to be chat number 4 at our regularly scheduled time. Check out the classroom for those details. Okay, your remaining Unit 3 due date, my dear students, is Unit 3 in Telepath, which will be due on January 26th. Tuesday, January 26th, Unit 3 in Telepath is going to be due. And if you have not submitted a Unit 2 discussion board already, please do so. It's incredibly important that you gain as many points possible towards this very important assignment. All right, so Unit 4 due dates. Unit 4 is very big because of Unit 4 discussion board. On Thursday, I posted in 2 separate announcements 2 short videos of me explaining Unit 4 discussion board. And then what I did was post those within the discussion board area. I posted the links to the videos and I posted my PowerPoint for Unit 4 discussion board. So please check all that out. All right, so Unit 4 due dates, very important. Friday, January 29th, you're going to have 2 things due. Firstly, you're going to have Unit 4 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And remember, folks, it's very important to complete your determined knowledge by the Friday deadline every week, because completing the determined knowledge allows the system to create the learning path or nodes that you must complete for the Tuesday and Telepath deadline. And plus, it cuts down on your workload, so who wouldn't want that? All right, then secondly, and very importantly, on Friday, January 29th, you're going to have your Unit 4 discussion board original post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And remember, the original post, you're choosing from one of the 4 primary documents you can analyze, and you're analyzing the primary document within that original discussion board post. Okay, so then Tuesday, which will be February 2nd, you're going to have 2 things due as well. Firstly, you're going to have your Unit 4 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So again, February 2nd, your Unit 4 in Telepath is going to be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then also on Tuesday, February 2nd, you will have your Unit 4 discussion board response post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And remember, the response post, you're responding to 2 of your classmates. And remember, the twist in this Unit 4 discussion board is each of your response posts must be at least 100 words in length. But, like I said, don't let that intimidate you. You will have no problem with that if you tailor your post to your classmates' post. Okay? Just don't say, great job, Sue. You answered all the questions very skillfully. I can't wait to read more of your work. While that's awesome and incredibly supportive, I want you to go beyond that, and I want you to tailor your post to your classmates' post. And if you do that, and if you answer the questions that are seen in the assignment directions for your response post, you will have no problem reaching that goal. All right, everybody, be well, and please contact me if you have absolutely any questions. Have a wonderful week.